In this video, we're going to heal over 7 chakras. First, we do deep breathing 2-3 times to remove all the thoughts from our mind. Deep breathe in, breathe out. Deep breathe in, breathe out. Deep breathe in, breathe out. Our first chakra is root chakra, Muladhara chakra. The position of this chakra is at the base of spine. The functions of this chakra are stability, grounding, and security in our life. The color of this chakra is red, and we chant Lam to activate this chakra. Lam. 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 Our second chakra is Sacral Chakra, Svadhisthana Chakra. The position of this chakra is 2 inches below the navel. The functions of this chakra are emotions, creativity, and relationship. The color of this chakra is orange, and we chant Vam to activate this chakra. Vam. 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 Our third chakra is solar plexus chakra, Manipura chakra. The position of this chakra is 2 inches above the navel. The functions of this chakra are personal growth, self-confidence, and willpower. The color of this chakra is yellow, and we chant Ram to activate this chakra. Ram. 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 Over fourth chakra is heart chakra, Anahata chakra. The position of this chakra is at the center of chest. The functions of these chakra are love and compassion. The color of this chakra is green, and we chant Yam to activate this chakra. Yam. 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 Over fifth chakra is throat chakra, Vishuddha chakra. The position of this chakra is at the throat region. The functions of this chakra are communication, self-expression, and truthfulness. The color of this chakra is light blue, and we chant hum to activate this chakra. Hum. Over sixth chakra is third eye chakra, Ajna chakra. The position of this chakra is in between the eyebrows. The functions of this chakra are intuition, wisdom, and imagination. The color of this chakra is indigo, and we chant Om to activate this chakra. Over seventh chakra is crown chakra, Sahasrara chakra. The position of this chakra is at the top of the head. The functions of this chakra are spirituality, enlightenment, and connection to universe or higher self. The color of this chakra is violet, and we chant A to activate this chakra. Now again we do deep breathing 2-3 times to come out from this meditation. Deep breathe in, breathe out. Deep breathe in, breathe out. Deep breathe in, breathe out. Now come out from this meditation.